Mayap na abak kay kayo mga kabalen, and welcome to Delta Cup 2023. Nandito po tayo live sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. We're gonna have 6 games for today in store for you para sa ating Inter-Municipalities-Cities Pampanga dito sa Delta Cup. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paulo, doing the commentaries for the 6 games today. At ang ating first game, our match at hand, will be Bayong MASANTOL versus Santa Ana Elite. And of course, live po tayo sa Pampanga Information Office. And also, we are live at Sinag Liga Asia. And we're gonna expect a slam bang affair for this 6 games. Of course, ang MASANTOL ay is one of the municipalities very on the far south ng Pampanga. And of course, Santa Ana Unite. Both these teams, MASANTOL and Santa Ana Unite, are debuting for this affair para sa ating Delta Cup. And of course, the participants are ready. Both teams are ready. And this match of the hand will be brought to you by our game officials. So, without further ado, i-turn over na natin sa ating game officials to start this ball game. Alright, our team starting fives for both teams on your screens. For Santa Ana, we have Nathaniel Santiago, John Vincent Soliman, Rainbow Ignacio, Alain Balahadja, and Naren Malyani. Para sa MASANTOL, ang kanilang starting five ay si Villanueva and De La Cruz at guard. Center is Sarmiento, Uzi at forward, and Cortez at power forward. Our referees for this ball game, Jong Banayad Jr., Andrew Fabelico, and Bart Bartolome. And we're underway. This is day 2 of competition para sa Delta Cup first quarter. First possession into the white shirts. Hindi. Napulot pala ng Santa Ana. Santa Ana wearing in dark colored green uniforms. Samantala ang MASANTOL wearing in white. And we have the first foul of the ball game. It's going to be an offensive foul by Malyari. His first personal. And of course, we're playing FIBA rules here. 10-minute quarters, 40-minute halves. Kanina nandito ang ating CEO na si Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Leo Isaac, in attendance watching this, and also Deputy Commissioner Totoy Marquez. Samantala, bank shot hindi pumasok from 3-point country para sa Santa Ana, or rather MASANTOL. The jump shot on its way, wala. Fast break up. It's going to be a dribbling violation. You know, these youngsters will learn to develop their skills, especially when it comes to fast break and especially when it comes to teammanship. And over the years, itong liga na to magdi-develop further into a true blue homegrown Kapampangan. Samantala, wala pa pong score on both teams. Almost 45 seconds gone by. Nakaagaw dito ang MASANTOL. And here's the fast break finish we're talking about. Naku! Ito, nakausap ko itong si Coach Adel Lakap na MASANTOL. Sabi niya kanina on my pre-game ritual, kailangan ng MASANTOL na makascore ka na maga. But this time, an inside incursion converted para sa Santa Ana. That's number 18 player, Balahadja. 2-0 is the count. More than a minute gone by sa ating first quarter. On the outside, from 22 feet, wala. So far, blank pa rin ang MASANTOL. Nakabutas na ng puntos. Ignacio reverse layup in vain. And MASANTOL grabs the rebound. Hindi sila makatakbo. But they want to score from 3-point distance. Why not? That's a corner 3 converted. Number 11 player ng MASANTOL. 8:18 remaining in the first quarter. Malyari bounce pass to his teammate at low post. 9 seconds on the shot clock. They're still looking for a much better offensive task, pero talagang maganda depensa dito ng MASANTOL. Nakaago na naman sila. This time, fast break opportunity on the horizon. And they will succeed. Soriano draws first blood para sa MASANTOL. The exact tally is 5-2. 7:55 remaining sa ating first quarter. Again, live na live po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. 9 on the shot clock para sa Santa Ana. Right down the baseline. Whoop! Sabi ng referee, merong holding foul sa ilalim. And that will be against number 23, Uzi, his first personal. Both teams already had one team foul each. That's Santa Ana and Masantol, respectively. 7:42 left. Here's the inbound right down the baseline. Naghanap sila mapapasahan. 14 on the shot clock. Corner pocket jumper. Yes, sir! And Santa Ana now. Good start, Ignacio. So the score now is 5-4. Pretty close first quarter. Spread out offense now for the white shirts para sa Masantol. The drive inside the paint. Thwarted. At walang magawa doon si Balahadja to give up a foul. That is first personal. And will be free throws para kay Soriano. And of course, dito natin matetesting ang ating mga kabataan dito. Masantol and Santa Ana and their free throw shooting. Lalo-lalo na malaking arena itong BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Hey, happy birthday kay Elenita Valeros from Barangay Santa Clara, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Thank you for watching Delta Cup. 2 free throws made. And the lead is up to 3 for Masantol. 7-4, 7:17 left in the first quarter. Malyari on the left wing. Medyo nakakaproblema tayo na konti sa shot clock pero inayos na nila yan. Long jumper, wala. From 19. One crack that time para sa Santa Ana. And the ball goes out of bounds. So babalik ang bola para sa Masantol and they have 18 seconds on the shot clock. They're still in the backcourt. And this is just the first of 6 games that we'll be covering this whole Sunday morning. Beautiful Sunday morning indeed. Oh, speaking of beautiful drive inside the basket para kay Soriano. Reviewin natin ang ating mga games for today. After this game, the second game is going to be Apalit I Love It versus Ing Bayong, Mexico. Sa ating third game, Minalin All-Star versus Ing Malugod Candaba. Sa ating fourth game, Kalugkuran Santa Rita versus I Love San Simon. The fifth game, we have Abi King Panluyuyong Florida Blanca versus United Tomasian Bowlers. And the sixth and final game later on at 4, it's going to be Level Up Lubao versus Bayong Porac. 14 on the shot clock. Corner jumper won't go. Oh, put back sana. Naku, lampas. Pero meron tayong foul. It's going to be a pushing one. Laban kay Sunga. That will be his first personal. Now, so para sa mga nagtatanong, because we already started this tournament of Delta Cup, let me remind you the scores that we have from last